Today, I'm going to show you a super quick and useful trick, how to create a zip file on your laptop or desktop. Now, why should you care about zip files? Well, they compress multiple files or folders into one smaller package. That means less storage space used and easier sharing. Perfect for emailing large projects, uploading documents, or just keeping your files neat and tidy. A quick tip before we start: if you are working with a bunch of files, create a folder and put them all inside first. That way your zip file stays neat and organized. Alright, let's dive in. First, select the files or folders you want to zip. For example, I've got 4 files right here. Right-click your selection. From the pop-up list, click on Show More Options. Hover over Send To and click on Compressed Zip Folder. Just like that. Windows will instantly create a zip file in the same location. Pretty cool, right? Let's check the difference. My original files were 40.8 megabytes, but once zipped, the new file is only 6.35 megabytes. That's a solid space saver. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a zip file in Windows. Simple, fast, and super useful. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if there is another Windows trick you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.